Feeling kind of bummed out. I thought I was so close to being done with my RV, my glam, and midway through the process, Jesse fell through my damn roof. Fell. Not really fall. You know, I'm a little bit dramatic, but seriously, it's bad. You know what? I'm just going to take it as another learning curve. Follow my mind, my gut. I told him to actually put a brace right here in the middle because he was going to be standing on it. He didn't do it. He put the brace in the front when I felt the brace should have been there because that was the support beam. But he's coming back and I don't want to hurt his feelings. So, and I try to train my mind to see the good and everything, but swear to you, man, I just wish God would just send me help. I pray the universe just drop somebody that could help me. I've officially packed my bus. I have it ready to be. I was originally gonna have it towed to the repair shop, but honestly, there's nothing wrong with it. No reason why I can't drive. So we've decided to just go ahead and take that trip. So tomorrow morning, I'll be on the road with my RV on the way to the repair shop. I know you see that right there. Don't be alarmed because I actually pulled that panel off because if you can see, I was actually trying to figure out a way to get those wires behind instead of having to do something like a pole right there. I don't want to do a pole from that part there. So we're just trying to figure it out. But yeah. You keep going in that hole. You're going way too fast. You're such an asshole. I feel like you're trying to do shit. What are you doing? What you doing? What were you doing?
What?
What you was trying to do?
No, I was just moving back and forth.
But why?
Brain work. What? What?
Why would you do that?
Do what?
Put it all the way back there.
So I'm gonna put that stick back there where the dog can get his ass out of there.
You're weird. When you driving all hard and fast. Yeah, it worked. It worked before I got here. Why wouldn't it work now? So aggravating.
Alright, so we're here. Finally got the RV to the RV repair shop, and he's gonna finish the inside of the cab and the roof.